do Ardha Chandrasana with the help of the brick. Now she's first going to do the final posture. Very good. Can you see how nicely she's done it? Now slowly inhale, come up. Now she's going to show you how the brick will be helpful. So first we will use the brick this way. Okay? You all have seen she held the brick in the hand and she slowly exhaled and went down. This is helping her to get into a proper alignment. Once you feel this is fine, you'll change the alignment of the brick this way. Very good. Now once you feel this is fine, you'll slowly change the alignment to this posture. Very nice. Once all the three feels easy, you know what to do. You slowly have to remove the brick and do the final posture. Very nice, perfect. So in order for you to get into the final posture just like Prarthana, you need to start using a brick from today. Slowly relax and that's it.